put inside. Kabuutan jud sa akong anak. Oy, watch out, John. Watch out. Watch out, John. O, diba? Ganyan yan mga sis. Unto da. Okay, you get. Sabi niya, guys, move daw dyan. How about this, you know? Good. It's new? Okay, you go. You go there. Get your juice.
Me? I can grab now.
Daijoubu.
You hold this.
Oh.
I bring this on.
Just checking if you're doing it right.
Why can't you just copy his armor? His legging, his armor. You can see it. His name? Marky slowly processes it, but you can't find any more materials.
Really?
He doesn't have any materials.
Oh.
And he can like get it for the kneecap. And, you know, I'm coming up for one kneecap. Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, I don't know whether I said it because I didn't say it.
Good boy. Are you gonna reach the top?
Yeah, I think I'm for sure. I don't know.
Climb on the table, maybe?
I got the. I can't read.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. We're right in Japan.